Hi, I'm Leslie Balfour-Lynn, co-owner of Hush Heath Estate with my husband Richard. Today I wanted to just show you our wonderful wildflower meadows. We're completely surrounded by them here. We've got about 15 acres that we planted 2 years ago, and it's just now, as we come into the last week of May, we're just bursting into flower. As probably many of you know, we lost a lot of our wildflower meadows, about 97% in the 1930s. The reason a lot of the wildflower meadows were eradicated at that time was to provide agriculture, growing cereals for our troops, but also for the people living back home. And we felt very strongly that we had the space here, and we wanted to just create beautiful space for us, for our wildlife, for insect life, for our pollinators, and the whole field here is just buzzing with activity. So hopefully you get an idea of the beauty here, and we would love to welcome you to come along, enjoy our wines, and look at the beauty of our wildflower meadows and walk the estate. So I hope to see you here soon.